Hey everybody, Jason here, and this week I've got Adam Oliver, aka Strongbad, with me.
Hey guys, what's up?
Adam, why are we recording from a hotel room second week in a row?
Well, this week we're at the Big House 6, one of the premier events of the year, and we are here to playtest our game with people and make some changes.
Cool, so I thought since I had Adam here helping with playtest, it would be a good chance for us to record a vlog, let you guys meet him and hear about what he works on. So Adam, what's your job?
So I'm in charge of a lot of the data in the game. You know, what frame does this attack come out on? How big are the hitboxes? What do those hitboxes do? How fast does this character run, fall, etc.?
Cool, so what's the hardest part of doing that? I mean, math is hard, right? That's why, I'm paying you to do it.
Yeah, right now the hardest thing for me is finding people to play with, like a large group of people, because if I play one person, they're going to have one idea about how they're supposed to play the game, and I might miss out on this other move that is really powerful that maybe is a little too powerful. So getting a lot of people to play is very helpful for me to figure out where I should be going next.
So Adam, what's the hardest part of doing that job where you have to do the math all the time? Because obviously it's not easy, but there's got to be some particular challenges.
Right now, it's definitely the nature of our team. We work remotely, a lot of us. So I can't just go in a room and be like, okay, hey, team of 8 other people, let's all play and get some feedback, right?
Right.
I need a lot of different viewpoints on how to play the game, and different characters, different people using different moves differently. So then I can figure out which moves are too strong or too weak, or which characters are the same.
That's actually one of the benefits of being at Big House at these tournaments. The reason why we come out to these is, not just to talk to people and all that, but actually to get the build in front of some trusted friends and partners, some very high-level players, so that we can get some feedback on the build very quickly and iterate on it. And we actually did that this weekend, right?
Right. So on Thursday we came in and we had some demos out to some of our friends, and we were getting some feedback. Okay, so this move is too strong, or this one doesn't feel that great. So on Friday morning, we went in and made some changes to the build and instantly addressed that feedback. So then on Friday, we wouldn't be getting the same feedback over and over and getting redundancy and not getting the most out of our trip here.
Yeah, so, that's one of the benefits of being someplace like Big House, right? The reason why we come out here is not just to talk to people, it's not just to be a presence, but it's also to do some work. We're able to bring in people, and no matter how smart I am as a game designer, no matter what a great character designer Adam is, we're not smarter than all of the people that are out there. They're going to think up options. They're going to run into scenarios that we might not naturally experience through our normal gameplay and our modes of thought. And so that helps us expose some problem areas and make some changes quickly, and then see if we actually address the problem that we were talking about. So it's kind of like rapid QA and tuning and iteration on the build that helps us make it, it makes a light year leap ahead, I guess, after each event.
Yeah, game development is not a linear line. You don't okay, I'm going to work for 1 week, and magically 1 week of work has happened. So
yeah,
there's plateaus, you run into an issue, and these events really help us to make a lot of progress very quickly.
And sometimes when you're building a new feature, you go backwards, right? Because you're making progress and the game's feeling better and better, and then you start building a new feature. Well, that introduces some bugs, and it makes the game feel a little bit messy for a little while until you start to work out those problems. So it's going up and it's getting better, and then it cuts back, and then it starts going up again. So there's some big challenges in game development, and being at these events allow us to make those kind of leaps forward and figure out some problems that help make our game better. Cool. So Adam, what are you most excited about, right? So we talked about the nitty gritty and the details of what you do, but what makes you excited as a game designer to be putting something like this together?
So I'm a gamer myself. I know the thoughts, feelings, emotions that go into playing games and getting a response out of your experience with the game. My favorite thing is when I see players play our game and they're really excited. They have their faces light up, and they're really excited. They're having fun. They're laughing, they're making jokes with each other, and they're bonding over our game. And that's already been so great to me. And then also, on the deeper side of things, is when I see our game in competitive play, a year down the line or something like that, and I see players playing the same character, but they're making different decisions in the same scenario. This isn't one player deciding, oh, I'm going to sabotage my ability to win by making this wrong decision here. This is these players having a different opinion on what the best decision is, and the ambiguity of which is the best here is like where the depth comes from and what makes a player try to play the game for a very long time.
So it's like style is getting expressed, right? Because we're trying to create characters that have so many options and good options, not just, options, most of them are meaningless, but good options that style can emerge where this type of player likes to combo up, this type of player likes to combo out, for instance, or this type of player likes to focus on ground movement or whatever. But that style starts to emerge where you can kind of identify the player through the movement of their character. And that would be, if we can get there soon, that would be very exciting, I think.
Absolutely.
Cool. So what else is going on this weekend? What do we have left?
We got a few more demos coming up, and maybe we can make some more changes based on the feedback from those. Mm-hmm. And also, we've got the finals coming up on Sunday. It's going to be very exciting for both games.
Yeah, I love the crowd at the Big House. It's always electric, and I'm excited for all the games. It's just going to be a great weekend.
Absolutely.
Cool. Well, I think we should say goodbye and get back to it, but I wanted to give everybody a chance to say hi to Adam on the vlog, and please stay tuned, like, subscribe, share the video, and we'll be back soon with some more content for you from the Wavedash offices. All right, thanks. Bye.
Catch you later.
So as you can probably tell, I'm not at the Wavedash office this week. I'm actually reporting to you from sunny San Diego in my hotel room because Wavedash is here for TwitchCon. Now we're here because we're part of the Twitch family. Not only are we building a game that we want